5 reasons why Rolls-Royce is so expensive. The first reason is colors. When you visit a Rolls-Royce dealership, they'll ask you which color you want from a staggering 44,000 different color choices. Rolls-Royce will go through numerous shades and hues until they match the color you desire perfectly. But if they don't have the exact color you want, they'll simply replicate it. Once you choose your color, it will be named after you. That's right, your Rolls-Royce will have a custom color named after you. But the best part, if anyone wants to use that color in the future, they'll need to ask for your permission first. The second reason is the painting process. The entire painting process of a Rolls-Royce is a work of art in itself. With 22 steps and 45 kilograms of paint, the process takes almost 10 weeks. But Rolls-Royce doesn't use robots like other luxury car companies. They prefer to use human hands for the painting process. Only the final layer of paint is done by robots. And after the painting is done, it takes another 5 hours for the polishing process. No wonder the paint on a Rolls-Royce looks so luxurious. The third reason is the unique embroidery. Rolls-Royce offers unique embroidery on the vehicle's upholstery, all done according to the client's preference. The most complex embroidery done till now was for a Phantom. But here's the kicker, it's not just any embroidery. It's unique to each client's request, and it's made to perfection. The fourth reason is the quiet cabin. The key feature of Rolls-Royce is how quiet the cabin is. The car is heavily insulated, reducing noise by 9 decibels. You can enjoy the ultimate comfort and luxury of the ride, free from outside noise and disturbances. But, if you're a fan of blaring your music, that's not a problem. The Rolls-Royce sound system is one of the best in the world, so you can enjoy your tunes with crystal clear clarity. The fifth reason is the customizable dashboard. Rolls-Royce offers a customizable dashboard. Clients can choose to add costly artwork, diamonds, or gold. The dashboard is handcrafted using the finest materials, making it a work of art in itself. In fact, some clients have even gone so far as to have 1,000 diamonds crushed into the paint for that extra sparkle. But with great luxury comes great responsibility. You'll want to make sure your car is parked in a safe spot, as you wouldn't want to risk having someone try to break in to steal those diamonds. So there you have it, the top 5 reasons why Rolls-Royce is so expensive. Each reason showcases the level of attention to detail and luxury that Rolls-Royce offers. It's no wonder that the Rolls-Royce is considered one of the most expensive cars in the world. The brand's unwavering commitment to quality and luxury sets them apart from other luxury cars. But if you're looking to make a statement and treat yourself to the ultimate luxury car, then a Rolls-Royce is the way to go. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video informative and enjoyable. If you did, please consider hitting that like button and leaving a comment below. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you at the next one.